Hi, this is Bill Binko, founder of ATIA Makers, and I want to invite you to the first annual ATIA Maker Day. Now, ATIA has always been a great place to learn about the latest in assistive technology. They bring together experts in the field for fantastic educational sessions, and they've always had a policy of having their exhibit hall open and free to all. That means that anybody who has an AT challenge can come into ATIA, go into the exhibit hall, and look for solutions from vendors from around the world. This year, ATIA is adding something different, and they asked us to help. They'd like to not just focus on the solutions that are for sale, but those that are available for people to make, whether those are makers from high school robotics teams, your local makerspace, or just you yourself if you can learn to become a maker. So I'm really proud to announce that this year we're going to have the first annual ATIA Maker Day powered by ATMakersorg. On Saturday, February the 3rd, the last day of the conference, we're going to be showcasing what makers can make and how you can learn to become one. You'll see Go Baby Go cars and 3D printed switches, mobility solutions, and other custom solutions in home automation. We'll even have a team adapting toys that we're giving away at the end of the show. If you're an AT user or if you support them, come on over and see if we have a solution for you that might not be available on the market, but it is custom and fits your needs. Or maybe you can learn to make your solution yourself. If you're not a maker and you'd like to become one, we'll teach you how. We'll have certified soldering instructors teaching you how to safely and effectively create your own electronic solutions. We'll even have Therese Wilcom, the queen of Instamorph, teaching you how to use Instamorph and Coroplast to create mounting and positioning solutions. You can learn how to make your own PVC art kit and even assemble your own 3D printed switch. If you're a maker, come see what your skills can be used for. This is a fantastic community of wonderful people who really need assistive technology solutions that you can build. So if you're going to be in the Orlando area on February the 3rd, come and join us. It's going to be a great day and we'd love to see you. It's easy to register and completely free. If you have any questions, reach out to us and let us know. I hope to see you there.